Hey team, wanted to do a belated 15.8 refinement kickoff. I think we're already looking at the issues in the milestone, which is great. I wanted to just share the theme and the goals for the milestone. So our theme around 15.8, which will be delivering in January, is security and reliability. Reliability continues to be a theme for us as we continue to get verified P1s, just ensuring that we're meeting our SLOs there to ensure we have a reliable and stable platform for GitLab.com. And then number two there is shipping some pagination for endpoints identified as a contributing factor to our error budget overage that we're currently in. We think that that's been mitigated. We're back in the green for last 7 and last 14 days as of today, last time I looked, but we do want to get those cleaned up. And so you'll find those in a confidential issue. And then it's just going to be a stretch for us to wrap up the CI minutes work, making it easier to understand the CI/CD minute consumption, having predictable costs. That's cleaning up some of the things that we did as part of the CI minute work, getting into the UI, some of the things to set new cost factors, stuff like that, cleaning up that tech debt. So it's wrapping up some things that we pulled out of the epic so that we can get the epic closed. So those are the big themes and goals for the milestone as they stand today. And then issues of note, we have a number of verified P1s. Right now we have 5 that are scheduled into the milestone, plus our carryover. And looking at 15.7 today, looks like we'd be carrying over 12, which is quite a few. I know that 3 of those are in dev. One is blocked and a couple are still in planning, but I know that we'll, as a team, we're looking at those and working to get those moved over to the right so we can get them shipped. And in 15.7, we've already closed 3 verified P1s, which is great. And then verified P2s, doing some tracking around the CI job token access, adding some audit logging for that. And then ideally we can get into some object model realignment for merge train category. That might end up being a stretch as well, or drop out of the milestone altogether, although it would definitely help move that category forward. So as we think about our cross-functional breakdown, I started a thread a couple of days ago in this issue, and I'll link to it when I drop the video into the Slack channel as well. So things to consider, we have some open security issues. 4 of those were in 15.7, 3 were remaining, and they were scheduled into 15.8. We've talked about what our breakdown was in 15.7, where we ended up was 5 features, 12 bugs, 15 maintenance issues. I know that did include CI scaling work as well, which we're starting to work into this breakdown. Then our availability, which we already talked about. So given those inputs and our verify OKR to improve our slow pipeline creation time, what I'm suggesting or proposing is a breakdown or a split of 7 bug, 7 maintenance, and 6 feature issues planned. We've been planning about 20 issues per milestone. That might be a little high given holiday season that we're rolling into for a lot of us in Europe and North America. But we've also got a few more folks onto the team who are coming up to speed and doing a great job of helping us break down these issues and work on these and deliver them so that we're delivering great outcomes for our customers. So crossing my fingers that 20 is not too ambitious. Today, as we have things planned out, we're at 11, 7, and 6. So I'll be looking to Caroline and Richard to help break down and try to move some bugs out, deprioritize those if we can, or figure out other ways to mitigate those for customers. So that's just a quick breakdown on 15.8 and walking through the cross-functional prioritization. In a couple of days, I'll drop another thread in there talking about what should be deliverable or what should be stretched for the milestone. If you have any questions, you can definitely ping me in Slack in channel or add a comment to the planning issue. Thanks.